I'm gonna click on confirm, and if I click on confirm, then my position will be opened. So as you can see, copy trading is successful.
Everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do copy trade in Binance. I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can do this in the Binance app in my smartphone so that you can easily understand everything. However, this is not an investment advice for you guys, and I am just showing this so that you can learn the process. If you don't have a Binance account already, download the app and open a Binance account by the QR code to reduce 10% transaction fee. Alright, so let's get started and jump into the Binance app.
Alright guys, so I am in the Binance app right now, and I am in the Pro version of the app. However, if you are in the light version, then you should click on the upper left corner here, and then you should select Binance Pro from here. As you can see, it's currently saying Binance Lite, but if you are in the light version, then it will say Binance Pro. From here, you should go to Binance Pro. After you are in Binance Pro, from this interface, you can select copy trading. So I will select copy trading and head to it. Now we are in the copy trading page. So firstly, we need to search for all the copy traders and their performance over time. So if you come down to the portfolio list right here, you can see different things that you can look at. So first here we have the time limit, which we can set to 7 days, 30 days, and 90 days. So we're going to look for someone who has a good history and has a good history in the long run. Anyone can just be lucky and have a good history in 7 days. But if we want to get good history of someone, then we need to get something like 30 days or 90 days. So I'm going to choose 90 days from right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to filter our search by these methods here. So first of all, we're going to head to P&L, which is profit and loss. So now you will able to see the best trader right here, and then the P&L of various other traders. So you can see this in dollar terms. So that is how much they are making, and this is the return of investment. So you know the percentage gain versus what they had in their account. So obviously you're going to be wanting to look at more profitable traders. So you have to look at all of these history of the copy traders, and then you can see that MDD is maximum drawdown. So the maximum drawdown is if they've lost a trade or they have been losing trades. What is maximum drawdown for those accounts? What I would suggest is you want people who are making, decent returns and not having huge drawdowns in their accounts. So you can obviously make those decisions, but see what maximum drawdown is. The maximum drawdown here is 12.14%, right? You can also filter your search list by clicking on ROI to get return on investment, or you can click RMDD to get maximum drawdown. Now we can go to the copiers section. The amount of copy traders is the amount of people that are actually copy trading them. There is a limit of copiers that people can copy from a copy trader. So this guy has 400 limits and this guy has 300 limits. However, this guy has 397 copiers, so he can hold 3 more, and this guy has 298 copiers, so he can hold 2 more. Then we have copier P&L, which is completely different because when copy trading, you can actually copy the trader's entries and exits and their trades. But you can also really choose how much you copy. So are you going to copy the exact size that they trade in, or are you going to copy smaller amounts? Or is your stop loss and take profit level different to theirs? You can choose all of that. And so what I would suggest is looking at the trader themselves, what they're doing, because the copy traders P&L and your P&L and the other people's trading P&L could be widely different to what the copy trader is doing, because they may have different inputs. So it's important to know that difference, and we'll go through that in seconds as well. So now I'm going to go back to P&L, and now I'm going to choose a copy trader. So after I click on a copy trader, then I will be able to see the copy traders page, and you can see all of the details of how they trade. like the losses that they're making and the profits that they're making. What we can see is how they trade and every single trade that they've made in their trade history. So we know if they are maybe more of a long-term trader. If they're a day trader trying to scalp traders, we can see all of that as well. So we can see that this trader is only trading BCH. Now let's check out his PNL. So I'm going to the PNL tab over here and I'm going to check his 30 days PNL. Now this trader has not done much in the past 30 days, and if we go to 7 days we'll be able to see that he has done a lot in 7 days, but mostly you can see more data from 30 days of his trade. But if we go to 90 days, then we will not get much from this trader. So this trader has not been trading for very long, so I don't think this is a good trader to copy. So before copying this trader, let me go ahead and see all of the copy traders that are currently copying him. So as you can see, there are lots of copy traders who are currently copying them, and now I'm going to see how they are doing. So most of them are having good PNL. So since most of them are having good PNL, if I want to copy this trader, then it might be a good opportunity since most of the copy traders are doing good. However, one of the copy traders' total ROI is not good enough, but he has only been copying for 1 day. Hopefully his ROI will increase in a few days. So if you're happy with a trader, you can copy the trader by clicking the copy button over here. So I'm going to click copy. Alright, so after clicking on copy, we are going to get a window we are going to get an interface like this. We have fixed amount and fixed ratio. So in fixed amount, each order will be opened at a fixed margin amount. Now you can enter your cost per order here. After that, you can enter your copy amount. You can enter how much you want to, or you can click on max and all of your USDT will be entered here. Then you can select total stop loss. Since I don't want to make any losses here, I'm going to choose 1% and stay on the safest side. After that, we have advanced settings where you will be able to select margin mode. Now the margin mode is by default selected as lead traders margin mode. So you can change lead traders margin mode and get fixed margin mode. You can either select cross or isolated margin mode. Now if you select isolated margin mode, then this margin will be isolated to this position only. However, if you select cross, then all of your margin balance will be included. Then we have leverage, which is also by default selected as lead traders average. But you don't want to go with lead traders average because lead traders usually have lots of margin balance and they don't get liquidated even after getting a lot of losses. So we are going to go with fixed leverage, and you can go up to 10 times leverage. Let's see if we can go more than 10. Okay, so if I click on plus, we're not going anywhere. So most probably we're not allowed to go more than 10 times. And then we can go to 1%. So I'm going to stick with 1% because I'm not going for a risky play. This is just a tutorial video and I'm here to teach you guys how to do it. So after that, we have position risk section. Now in position risk section, we have take profit, stop loss, and max cost per order. So take profit and stop loss is going to be used to set position, take profit, and stop loss. It's executed using the market price when the position is successfully opened. And the max cost per order is when a contract order cost reaches the maximum ratio. The system will place the order with the maximum order cost. The max cost percentage can be set to prevent opening a size that are too large for a single order. So after we have set all of these, now here I'm going to set take profit 5% and stop loss at 1%, which I already choose, so I'm not going to enter the stop loss here. Then we have max cost per order. We are going to choose the least number here, and then we have to agree to I have confirmed profit sharing to 10%, and I have read that I agree to the term use and service. And after we click confirm here, then we need to confirm again, and then we will open a position in this copy trade. However, I don't want to go with fixed amount. I want to go with fixed ratio. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select 10 in the fixed ratio. Fixed ratio orders will be opened in proportion, which is of your available margin balance. And here I'm also going to choose total stop loss of 1%. Alright, so I'm going to choose low amount of USDT here. I'm going with 10 as you can see, so just playing it safe. And then we are going to open advanced settings. We are going to reorganize the advanced settings just like before. So all of these are set. Take profit 5% again, stop loss is going to be 1, and then we are going to go 5 max cost per order. So all of these are set. Now I'm going to click on confirm, and if I click on confirm, then my position will be opened. So as you can see, copy trading is successful. You can see more portfolios by clicking on this button, or you can go and view details. However, you can also get to the screen by clicking on the copy button right over here. Now if I reveal the amount, as you can see, my total margin balance is here. You can also see the realized P&L, total wallet balance, net profit, net copy amount, and then we are going to get the details of the lead trader, net copy amount, margin balance, realized P&L, unrealized P&L, profit shared, net profit, and the percentage of profit sharing. The percentage of profit sharing is locked to 10%, so there is no way of controlling it. However, if you have more orders, then all of the orders will appear here and you will be able to check all of the orders in this section. You can also close your order earlier on if you see that you're not making profit. Instead, you are making loss. However, if you are making profit, then you can also keep the order as well. So if you want to close a position, you can click on this arrow over here, and then you can click on stop copying. And then you should check this box. So after copy trading is stopped, the position will be closed at the market price and the assets will be transferred back to my spot wallet. So the final price may vary a little due to price fluctuations. However, the estimated profit share is subjected to change based on unclosed position. So I'm going to click confirm and stop copying. So as you can see, I have stopped copying and there are no more positions in the ongoing order right over here. It's totally empty. And if I click on view portfolio, then I'll be able to go back to the home screen again. So I'm going to go back to the management page by clicking here, and then if I go to the closed option, as you can see, we have the order here. So this order is actually closed, and as you can see, it's closed due to copy stopped. And if this order was closed due to reaching the stop loss, then it would have also showed the reason here. So if your order is closed unfortunately, or you don't even know about it why it's closed, then you'll be able to know why the order is actually closed. And you will also be able to get all the details of the order that happened previously. However, there's another section which is pretty handy. It's the mock section. There are no records here, but in the mock section, you'll be able to perform mock copy trades. So using the mock copy trades, you'll be able to do so much more, because using mock copy trades, you are not going to face any losses. On the downside, you are also not getting any profits. But this is good to build up your confidence, build up your skill level, and get you familiarized with the whole copy trading system. So if you don't want to get any losses and get familiarized with the product, boost your confidence, then you should try mock trading. To start a mock trading, you can go to portfolio, select a trader, and then there is the mock button. And after clicking the mock button, you can press continue, and then the mock trade will be started. As you can see, now it's in the mock trade mode. So that is how you can just practice your stop trading with the mock trading system.
So guys, that's all for today's video. I have shown you everything you need to know about copy trading on Binance application. However, if you still have any questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these.